Hi friends, today we are going to see what are the multiple types of data types available in Oracle. In Oracle, we have character data types, numeric data types, and date data types. So in this lecture, we'll see only these three. We can have long data types, raw data types also available in Oracle. Under character data type, we have char and char, varchar2 and varchar2. Under char data type, it can store a default byte as 1 and it can store a maximum of 2000 bytes. Under varchar2, it can store a maximum of 4000 bytes. We have nchar and nvarchar2. These can act char and varchar2 respectively, but these can store Unicode data. Right. So let's say, for example, you have declared a column data type as char and the length is 10. So it can store a maximum of 10 bytes. Let's say, for example, you have given only 5 bytes only. The remaining 5 bytes are going to be occupied as blank paddings, which can occupy your space every time. This can be overcome by using varchar2 data type. So in varchar2 data type, if you given a varchar2 of 20 and you have given only 10 bytes, the remaining 10 bytes cannot be occupied as blank paddings like char data type. So the disadvantage can overcome by varchar2 data type. Varchar2 data types accepts both string and numbers. So let's say if you want to store only numbers, for that we need to move to numeric data types. And the numeric, we have number data type which can accept 38 bytes. It can store integer value, also it can store floating values. The next one is date data type. Under date data type, we have date and timestamp. If you want to store only date, like day, month and year, then we'll choose date data type. If you want to choose hours, minutes and seconds, then we'll go with timestamp data type. These are the basic data types we are going to see in our upcoming sessions. Thank you guys.